So today we're at Camp Butano, or Butano as some people call it, and this was a camp of the Legacy San Francisco Bay Area Council. It's in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Butano is used for trainings and troop camping, service unit meetings, and we have a summer program here that's run by a volunteer group. It's a resident camp, 3 8-week sessions. It gives you an idea of the camp entrance. So this is called the Sawmill Cabin, and during the summer resident camp it's used for arts and crafts with the wheel pottery out on the deck. It's called the Sawmill Cabin because it was the office headquarters when this was run as a logging operation before the Girl Scouts took it on. This is about a 150-acre property with quite a trail system, a lot of the old logging roads. So this is one of the sleeping cabins that's outfitted for year-round use. It's rented during the winters by lots of troops. Just to give you a sense of the tall redwoods that we have on this camp property. So this is a new well on the property that is about 500 feet deep and provides backup water to the main source, which is a creek where we get water that has been treated, and we'll look at that in just a minute. So the creek water for Camp Butano starts here, and we actually have percolation pipes underground that collect in this spot. The water seeps down. In the winter this is actually a small pond, and the water seeps down into the percolation pipes, and that's where we begin the collection of the water. So this shows inside of the water treatment facility. You can see lots of technology required to make safe water. It's tested regularly by the health department. Here's one of the tent camping sites at Camp Butano. A lot of troops rent this for troop camping, and of course it's used during resident camp as well. This is the Toyon campsite, nestled in the redwoods. This gives you another picture of some of the cabins, tent cabins in the Toyon campsite. As you can see, they all have railings around all sides. Some of them are up on pretty high stilts. We're walking now at Butano from the Toyon campsite to the dining hall down a hill. This is the dining hall for Camp Butano. It was built about 10 years ago. It seats up to 150 people, and it has a full commercial stainless steel kitchen. This is the kitchen at work at Camp Butano. This is the inside of the Camp Butano dining hall, and you can see there's a training going on. It's going on actually for this summer's backpacking camp up at Two Sentinels. This is the bridge at Butano to the Laurel Cabin. This bridge is closed. It needs to be repaired, and we are not spending the funds right now to repair it. It would be very expensive. So instead, you can see we have a little trail that goes down to the creek, and you can walk down the trail, the stairs, and there's a little footbridge that crosses the creek and back up over the other side to Laurel Cabin. So it does limit the use of Laurel Cabin a bit because we can't take the cars across with all of the supplies anymore.